Learn how to make these delicious air fryer jerk turkey wings. Done in just under 30 minutes, these are perfect for your holiday table. Indulge in these spicy, flavorful, and succulent wings, jam-packed with the punch of Caribbean-inspired flavors. The combination of the jerk marinade and the convenience of the air fryer definitely makes this dish a win-win, and it did Ava vibes, guys. So let's just jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To a bowl, I've added my clean turkey wings, cleaned with vinegar and lime water. We've added some jerk marinade, ensuring that each wing is well coated in this marinade. Allow the wings to marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight in the refrigerator. This will infuse the flavors into the meat to enhance the taste. When I say we were working in this marinade, I mean no turkey wing left behind. Each piece was well coated and seasoned to the bone. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 193 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, for at least 5 minutes. Spray the air fryer with cooking spray, and then you're going to add in your turkey wings to the air fryer. Avoid overcrowding the air fryer to ensure proper air circulation and an even cooking. The wings at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 139 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, and you will be flipping them halfway through the cooking time. It is now halfway through the cooking, and we're going to flip our turkey wings. They are looking so delicious already. It has that nice jerk char that is so beautiful and so delicious, and it will definitely have that smoky flavor because we're using the air fryer. It's not overcrowded. It's because I had those 2 little tiny extra little wings in there, like, you know, the little tip of the wing, and it just took a long time for me to get this right, but eventually it was right, and we popped it back into the air fryer and started to work on our sauce. To a bowl, just add some ketchup, some barbecue sauce. We use spicy honey barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce that you would like. We added some duck sauce because we couldn't find honey, but let me tell you, the duck sauce was a game changer. When I say it did Ava vibes, guys. The duck sauce shot. Then you can definitely use brown or white granulated sugar. We use granulated sugar for this, and just give that a nice mix, and there you have it. You can add in some red pepper flakes for a little more heat, but because of our son, we decided to just let the jerk do the talking in this one. Mix so that everything can be well incorporated and start to marry together. Our turkey wings are looking beautiful. Look at that color, and the flavor is just right. Also, it definitely was giving like jerk turkey wings on the grill. Just brush on your sauce onto the turkey wings, The addition of the sauce to this jerk turkey wings just took this to the next level. It was bursting with flavor on top of flavor, and it was totally delicious. Don't forget to just add as much sauce as you want. Turkey wings are big and they require a lot of sauce, so sauce up on both sides. So I've definitely sauced the first side. Now I'm just going to give this a nice toss. Shake, 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 and get it well incorporated and well coated to infuse this delicious flavor that is in this sauce. Sauce the other side, toss, and then you're going to have delicious air fryer jerk turkey wings. Plate it up nice and just look how beautiful and perfectly sauced these jerk turkey wings are. You should definitely give these a try. I mean, nothing can beat a quick and delicious meal. Quick and easy, under 30 minutes in the air fryer, and it's delicious. Perfect for your holiday table, perfect for your family around this time, and it is a time saver. Absolutely let your turkey rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, and this allows it and results into a more tender and juicy meat. You can stop it right here, or you can add some green onions or chives to give it a nice garnish. And we also added some red pepper flakes to just give it that nice pop of red and to add a little touch of spice to each bite. Serve these up with rice and peas or plantain or green beans or sweet potato or yams, and yes, it will be perfect for your table. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.